Understanding Impact Investing. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore an exciting and meaningful topic in the world of finance and social good: impact investing. This concept is not just about making money, but making a difference in the world. Let's dive in and understand what this all means. Impact investing is an approach to investment that aims to generate positive, measurable social and environmental impact alongside a financial return. This type of investing challenges the traditional view that social issues should be addressed only by philanthropic donations, and that market investments should focus solely on achieving financial returns. The primary goal of impact investing is to help reduce the negative effects of business activity on the social environment. This means that investors are looking to fund companies, organizations, and funds with the intention to generate a measurable, beneficial social or environmental impact along with a financial return. It's not just about earning, but also about contributing positively to society. Impact investments can be made in both emerging and developed markets, and target a range of returns from below market to market rate, depending upon the circumstances. Investors actively seek to place capital in businesses and funds that can harness the positive power of enterprise. These investments provide capital to address social and/or environmental issues. Impact investments come in various forms. They might be made in microfinance, renewable energy, sustainable agriculture, healthcare, education, and affordable and accessible basic services like housing. The idea is to invest in areas that offer tangible help to social and environmental causes. Everyone from individual investors to large corporations and institutions can be impact investors. The key is the desire to positively influence society and the environment through investments. It's an inclusive approach, welcoming anyone who wants to use their money for good. While impactful, this type of investing comes with its own set of challenges. Measuring the social impact can be difficult and complex. There's also the risk of impact washing, where claims of social impact are exaggerated to attract investors. Thank you for joining us in exploring the concept of impact investing. Remember, it's not just about making money, but making a positive impact on our world. We hope this video has been informative and inspiring. Keep learning and exploring.